Hi guys, myself Sadashva. Today let us discuss about hazardous waste management. What is hazardous waste? Hazardous waste refers to any waste that possesses that threat to human health or environment due to its chemical, physical, or infectious properties. Common example includes the batteries, pesticides, solvents, medical waste, and certain industrial byproducts. Types of hazardous waste: flammable, corrosive, reactive, and toxic. Flammable: easily intangible liquid or solids that possesses the fire hazard. Corrosive: substances that can damage skin, metals, or other materials through chemical reactions. Reactive: unstable substances that readily react with air, water, or other materials, potentially causing explosion or release of the toxic gases. Toxic: substances that can cause harm to human health or environment even in the small amount. Regulations and compliance. Uh, the US Environmental Protection Agency set regulations for generalization, handling, and disposal of hazardous waste. State and local. Many states and local governments have their own regulations that may be more strengthened than federal regulations. Hazardous waste identification, labeling, hazardous communication, data management. Labeling. Properly labeled containers are essential for identifying and managing the hazardous waste. Hazardous communication. Information about hazardous waste should be readily available to all employees and energy emergency personnel. Data management. Accurate record keeping is crucial for tracking and managing hazardous waste throughout its life cycle. Hazardous waste handling and storage. Self practices and storage requirements. Self practices. Employees should be trained on proper handling procedures to prevent exposure and accidents. Storage requirements. Hazardous waste should be stored in designated areas, compliance with regulations to prevent leads. Hazardous waste transportation. Manifest. A manifest is a legal document that tracks the movement of hazardous waste. Routing. Appropriate routes and transportation methods are crucial to minimize the risk during transportation. Response. Emergency response plans should be in place in case of accidents or splits during transportation. Hazardous waste treatment and disposal. Treatment, neutralization, inclination, and landfills. Neutralization: chemical processes to reduce the hazardous waste of nature of waste. Inclination: burning the waste at high temperature to destroy the hazardous components. Landfilling: disposal in special designed landfills to meet the significant environmental regulations. Waste minimization strategies: source reduction, recycling, and reuse. Source reduction: reducing the amount of hazardous waste generating in the first place. Recycling: reusing and reprocessing of materials to reduce the need of disposals. Reuse: finding the new uses of materials instead of discarding. Waste minimization strategies: resource reduction, recycling, and reusing. Resource reduction: reducing the amount of hazardous waste generated in the first place. Recycling: reusing or repurposing materials to reduce the need for disposal. Reuse: finding the new users for materials instead of discarding. Spill prevention and response. Preparation, training, and equipments. Preparation: developing a comprehensive spills prevention and response plans. Training the employees on proper spilling response procedures. Equipments: having the necessary equipments and the materials for cleanups. Spill prevention and response. Preparation, training and equipments. Preparation. Developing a comprehensive spill prevention and response plans. Training. Training employees on purpose spilling response procedures. Equipments. Having the necessary equipments and the materials for cleanup. Thank you.